If your car has scuff marks, do not worry, they are usually easy to fix. With just a few basic tools and simple steps, you can remove scuff marks at home and make your car look great again. WD-40 is great for removing scuff marks from car paint. It works by loosening and wiping away paint or dirt stuck on the surface. To remove scuff marks from your car, start by spraying WD-40 directly onto the marks. Then, use a clean rag to gently rub the area. Spray a little more WD-40 and keep rubbing. You may need to repeat this a few times until the marks disappear completely. This simple and effective method can help restore your car's appearance with minimal effort. Toothpaste can help remove small scuff marks and scratches from your car by gently polishing the surface. Start by applying a generous amount of toothpaste directly to the affected area. Then, take a microfiber cloth and gently rub the spot in small circular motions. Then use a clean, damp cloth to wipe the area and remove the toothpaste. Rinse with a little water if needed. This simple method can help make scuff marks much less noticeable, or even remove them completely. Coconut oil can help mask minor car scuff marks and light scratches, making them less noticeable. Take 50 milliliters of coconut oil and pour it into a glass. Add an equal amount of vinegar to the glass, and mix the two ingredients well. Apply this mixture to the scuff mark, and then gently rub the area using a microfiber cloth. With this method, you can easily remove scuff marks from your car. Acetone can be used to gently clean off scuff marks and light scratches from your car's surface, but it should be used carefully. Take a small amount of acetone and pour it on a clean microfiber towel. Gently rub it over the scuff mark area for a few minutes. Next, apply polishing compound to the pad of a polishing machine. Move the machine over the scuff mark in smooth, even motions. Finally, wipe the area clean with a microfiber cloth. This method can give you amazing results and make your car look like new. You can use a scratch and swirl remover to get rid of scuff marks on your car. Confident Scratch and Swirl Remover helps remove light scratches, swirls, and marks, making your car look newer. It also restores shine and removes water spots and oxidation. To use, simply apply a small amount on the pad and rub it over the affected area. By using this product, you can easily remove many kinds of surface imperfections from your car's paint. By following these effective methods, you can easily remove scuff marks from your car at home. These tips will help restore your car's appearance and keep the paint looking smooth and shiny.